I'm Gene. Thank you for choosing FireSprint and our Lifetime Retractable Banner Stand. Here are a few tips on setting this up for you. If you want to show a video like this to one of your customers, we have created a client-safe or customer-safe version for you with no mention of FireSprint, no mention of the name of the banner stand, in case you're doing your own branding. Feel free to use that as you please. So the banner stand will include this handsome case. It's got a nice carrying strap, heavy-duty zippers, really keeps everything safe. Open this up here. And there's two parts inside. We have the telescopic poles, kind of like tat poles here. And then we have the banner stand itself held in place by these nice Velcro straps. So I'm going to pull both of these out. We're going to set this case aside. We won't need this anymore right now. And we're going to set it up on the floor. So before we get too far here, I want to note that there are actually 4 leveling pads on the bottom of the banner stand. If your ground is a little bit uneven, or if you notice that it's leaning one way or another, you might adjust these back and forth. They're just screws to get your banner stand a little more level. After making sure I'm on a level surface and I've got this banner stand roughly where I want it in the room, I'm going to assemble my pole here, and that's pretty easy, just slides together. And then I'm going to make sure it's very securely set down in this hole. There's no latch or anything like that. It just goes down into the hole. I know it's made contact with the bottom, so it's secure. And then with one hand, my left hand in this case, I'm going to grab the actual retractable banner, and I'm going to keep my other hand on the pole here. I'm going to slide this up, and there is a hook, you'll notice, on the top of the pole, and it just inserts into this aluminum channel at the top of the banner stand. So right now, this is being held up. So you'll notice arrows here indicating which way to twist the telescopic poles in order to lock them in place or release them. So I'm going to loosen them up by doing the opposite of the tighten arrow. And with 2 hands, I'm going to slide this pole up as far as I need to and twist back the other way to tighten it in place. And so I can adjust this to whatever height I need to adjust it to. And then as soon as I get it about where I think I want it, we can walk around to the front and take a look. Takedown is just as easy when you're at the end of your event or you want to put the banner stand in storage. All I'm going to do is release the retractable from back here by loosening it in the opposite direction of the arrow and bringing this down. And then I'm going to unhook the top of the banner stand, very easy to do. And I'm going to very gently let this retract. It will retract automatically, but I just want to make sure that it goes in straight. And gently remove the pole, pull that apart. I'm going to put this all back in the provided case just like it came out.